Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make traditional miso soup. First, let's create the foundational dashi broth, which is crucial for that authentic umami flavor. You'll need 4 cups of water, a piece of kombu, and a handful of bonito flakes. Gently simmer these ingredients for about 10 minutes, ensuring the flavors meld beautifully. Afterward, strain the broth to achieve a clear, aromatic dashi, ready for the next steps. Now that our dashi is ready, it's time to introduce some classic ingredients. Take 1 block of silken tofu and carefully cut it into half-inch cubes. Next, rehydrate about 2 tablespoons of dried wakame seaweed in a small bowl of water until it softens. Once both are prepared, gently add the tofu and the rehydrated wakame to your simmering dashi broth. Let them warm through for a few minutes. The star of the show, miso paste, comes next. Measure out 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite miso, whether it's white, red, or a blend. Crucially, never boil miso directly in the pot. Instead, ladle a small amount of the hot dashi broth into a separate bowl with the miso paste. Whisk it thoroughly until the miso is completely dissolved and forms a smooth, creamy mixture. Finally, pour the dissolved miso mixture back into the main pot of dashi, tofu, and wakame. Stir everything gently to combine, ensuring the miso is evenly distributed throughout the soup. Remember, it's very important not to boil the soup once the miso has been added, as this can diminish its delicate flavor and beneficial properties. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade traditional miso soup. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.